Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to deposit cash into your SoFi account. Depositing cash into a SoFi account is done through a partnership with Nuggs. You can't deposit cash at an ATM or a bank branch since SoFi is an online-only bank. To deposit cash, you'll need to go to a participating retail location. These include major stores like Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, and 7-Eleven. Here's how it works. First, log into your SoFi app and find the Deposit Cash option to locate a nearby retailer. Once you're at the store, tell the cashier you want to make a cash deposit using Nuggs. Hand them the cash you want to deposit and swipe your SoFi debit card. There is a fee of up to $4.95 for each transaction, which you'll pay at the register. The money is typically available in your account within 15 minutes, but it can take up to 2 hours. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.